Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi A6 fuel tank. Most of the time, opening your Audi A6 fuel tank is a simple process. First, make sure your car's central locking system is fully unlocked using your key fob. Then, walk to the rear of your vehicle and gently press on the fuel tank flap. It should pop open easily, allowing you to refuel without any fuss. If the standard method doesn't work, your Audi A6 has a manual override. To find it, open your trunk. On the right side, behind the interior trim panel, you will typically find a small access point. Inside, look for a distinct red-colored pull cord or a small knob designed for emergency use. This is your backup solution. Once you've located the emergency release, gently pull the red cord or knob towards you. You should feel a distinct resistance, indicating the locking mechanism has disengaged. Do not pull too forcefully to avoid damage. After pulling, go back to the fuel tank flap on the exterior of your car and press it. It should now open, allowing you to access your fuel cap. If you're still having trouble, try a few troubleshooting steps. First, ensure all car doors are completely unlocked. Sometimes a simple relock and unlock can reset the system. You can also try applying gentle pressure to the fuel flap while simultaneously unlocking the car. If the mechanism feels stiff, a small amount of plastic-safe lubricant might help. For persistent issues, a professional might need to replace the fuel door actuator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.